It really, really does depend. So what I am looking at when I'm looking at a problem to solve, that's why I think about these things. When I'm looking at a product is I look at the product in the context of a few different variables. So I look at the product in the context of how good are the competitors. If the competitors are very, very good marketers and really seem to know what they're doing when it comes to marketing, then I take that into consideration before entering that marketplace. So if I don't think I can kick their ass at marketing, that becomes an inhibitor for me. I go, okay, well, I'm up against some smart people here, not your normal dumb people who sell things on Amazon who don't know what the hell they're doing. We're up against smart people who actually know what they're doing. So I factor that in. And I look at their various elements of the competitors as well, not just the first competitor, but the top 5 competitors. Can I beat out one of the top 5? So that's one of the things I look at when I'm thinking about the competitors in the marketplace. Second thing I look at is the quality of the listing. And here's a classic example. This is a photo album with 2 images, and this is all the work they've done on their bullet points. And if we scroll down, here's their product description. And so, it's not that great. So I'm looking at that going, well, that's a pretty shitty listing. They haven't done a good job. I could put a listing together that would be much, much better than that. So I look at that. I look at the quality of the listings as well. I also look at the potential profits. So right now, I can see that this is selling for $17.87. So I'm looking at that and saying, well, how much money can I make selling this? And can I make enough gross profit to fund the marketing that I need to do to rank and launch this product while still breaking even? And then once I've gone through the launch phase, is there enough net profit for me to be interested in this product, or is there a better product that I can go after? So I look at it very dispassionately, look at it just purely as an investment, my money, that product, how much can I get out, how quickly can I get the money out of it. I also look at my ability to carve out a niche within the niche. So photo album here, for instance, well, can I carve out within the photo album niche a different sort of product for myself? So can I get photo album with magnetic self-sticking photo album, for instance? Is there a niche within the big niche that I can go and own? So I look at that too. So how much competition is too much competition? It really does depend on what the competition is like, how talented they are at marketing, what the niche is like, whether the niche is high level or sub level, how much money is available in the niche. So there's a lot of different factors I go look at, Adita, to go before I decide on that. But that at least gives you some ideas about the thought process behind that. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much, much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.